This video is all about the Afrikaans word for your thumb, which is duim. Duim. The other meaning of duim is for the measurement inch. Duime is the plural and can mean both thumbs and inches. Duimpie is the diminutive and it means little thumb. Duimgooi, which literally translated means throwing thumb or throwing thumbs, and that is the Afrikaans word for hitchhiking. There is an Afrikaans saying that describes hitchhiking, and it goes as follows: met die duim in die pad val. Literally translated, that means to fall in the road with the thumb. Now, if you want to tell someone that you are going hitchhiking, you can simply say, ek gaan duim gooi. Duim vashou. Duim vashou. Crossing your fingers. Ek sal duim vashou vir jou. I will keep my fingers crossed for you. Iets uit die duim suig. Literally translated, that means to suck something out of the thumb. And it means to fabricate something or fabricate a story. Iemand om sy duim draai. That is when you wrap someone around your finger. Iets of iemand onder die duim te hê. And that means to have something or someone under your control. And lastly, Sunny hou vir Jannie onder haar duim. And that means Sunny completely controls Jannie.